A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the online session of teaching. Myself, I am Aparna, your EVS teacher for the session 2020-21. Children, as our first lesson, My Body is completed. Today, we will do the exercise part. So, let's start. All of you write with a pencil in your textbook only. No need to write in your notebook. So, the first question is fill in the blanks. Okay, children? Now, number 1. We use our dash to hold things. We use our hands to hold things. Once again, I am repeating the first question. We use our hands to hold things. Now, second question. Our legs help us to walk and run. Once again, I am repeating. Our legs help us to walk and run. The third question is, we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Now, the fourth question is, we listen to music with our ears. We listen to music with our ears. Now, fifth question is, we can feel objects with our skin. We can feel objects with our skin. Children, you have to write these fill-ups with pencil in your textbook. Okay? Now, come to the next part. Yes. Number 2, match the organs with the right action. Children, you have to match the organs you can see in the picture with the right action words. Okay? The first picture is a tongue. Okay, what do you do with your tongue, children? You taste with your tongue. So, match the picture of tongue with the word taste. Okay. Now, come to the next picture. What is this picture? This is our eyes. So, what do you do with your eyes? You see with your eyes. Okay. So, children, you have to match the picture of eyes with the word see. Now, the third picture is a nose. What do you do with the nose, children? Yes, we smell with our nose. So, match the picture of nose with the word smell. Now, fourth picture. In the right hand side. What is this picture, children? This is our legs. Yes or no? Yes. What do you do with your legs? We walk with our legs. So, join the picture of legs with the word walk. Now, fifth picture. What is this picture? This is picture of ears. Okay, you can see. What do you do with your ears? We hear with our ears. Okay, now the last picture. What is this picture? This is a hand. What do you do with your hand? We write with our hand. So, match the picture of hand with the word write. Okay. Now, come to the next question. Fill in the blanks with the right answer. Children, here you are having 2 options for each question. So, you have to select the correct option and write down in the dash. Okay. So the first question is, we write with our dash. The options are hands, legs. Yes, which is the correct answer? Hands. So we write with our hands. So write down the word hands in the blank. Come to the second question. Our legs help us to dash. Here we have given two options, write and walk. Yes or no? So which is the correct answer? Write or walk? Walk. Walk is the correct answer. So children, you have to write walk in the blank. Now come to the third question. We have dash sense organs. The options are 5, 6. Which is the correct answer? 5. How many sense organs we are having? We are having 5 sense organs. Yes or no? Now come to the fourth question. Our tongue help us to dash, taste, smell. Which is the correct answer? Taste. We taste with our tongue and we smell with our nose. So the correct option is taste. All of you write taste in the blank. Now the last question, we can dash whether a thing is hot or cold. The options are see and feel. What is the correct answer, children? The correct answer is feel. We can feel whether a thing is hot or cold. Okay, children. Now come to next question. Write two things for each as shown. One example is given for you, children. See. What are the things we can see with our eyes? Here giving two answers, that are television and book. We can watch television and read books with the help of our eyes. So we can see television and books. In the same way, the second question is hear. We can hear music and horn. Okay. The third question, smell. What are the things we can smell? We can smell flower, food. Okay. Now the fourth question. The fourth question is feel. What we can feel? Whether a thing is hot or cold. Yes or no? Okay. Now the fifth question is touch. What the things we can touch? What we can feel by touching? We can touch and tell that whether a thing is smooth or rough. Okay. All of you write down these answers in your textbook. Okay. Now come to question answers. Children, you have to write the question answers in the textbook only. There is a blank given after every question. So you have to write the question answers in your textbook only. No need to write anything in your notebook. Okay. The first question is, which part of our body help us to jump? I am repeating the question. Which part of our body help us to jump? The answer is our legs help us to jump. Our legs help us to jump. Now, second question. Name the 5 sense organs. Name the 5 sense organs. The answer is the five sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Once again I am repeating the answer. The five sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay. Now the next question number 3 is, how does our neck help us? How does our neck help us? The answer is, our neck helps us to move our head from side to side and turn it around. Once again I am repeating the answer. Our neck helps us to move our head from side to side and turn it around. Okay. Now come to the fourth question. Which part of our body help us to hold things? Which part of our body help us to hold things? The answer is, our hands help us to hold things. Our hands help us to hold things. Now, the last question. How do our sense organs help us? How do our sense organs help us? Our sense organs help us to know the world around us. What is the answer? Our sense organs help us to know the world around us. All of you children, note down the question answers in the textbook in a very good, neat handwriting. Okay? Thank you.